This is called Dinosaur Zoo 5. It's on Amazon Prime. It captures both Jurassic Park and King Kong in the same flick. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look, they're looking at it. He's looking at it. We're looking at it. Right. The end. Camera agrees. You are incredibly good looking. Walking down Elm Street? Walk down Elm Street. We've survived the journey to Applejack's Liquors. People are outside walking and drinking, man. It's been like 3 days. It only did 3 days?
More than that.
It feels like it's been a fucking year.
Saturday was the last time.
I don't know if you know this or not, but there's a place outside of the court building. Court building? What is this?
Post office?
Post office? You can plug in your phone. Ooh, that's not protected.
Last time you actually went to a post office, because I go often. I don't think you've been in a while.
I don't usually go to the post office. I think that once we start having giveaways,
I'm sure that I'll be the one mailing them.
I don't know how to do that shit. I bring it here and I give it to the people and they just take it away. That'll be $7.95.
Except $7.95 the average. Sure.
Whoa, okay.
$3.70 or like 7 something is usually what I pay.
You're right. Hear that bird? That's just like $3.75.
I think like the outside animals are really loving this.
Yeah.
We got the run of the place again. It's like old times. You know that theory that we have like instinctual memory?
Yes.
So like even ancestral tales aren't told to us. We instinctively know what probably happened.
From several lives. Bearded lady is moving over here. Got a bug in my mouth. I know you heard me. Threw it out. I thewed it. Temporarily closed. But they just got it open too. Oh man.
Yeah, I do feel bad for people who were just trying to get a leg up just now and don't really have like a... I mean, I know it's not going to like necessarily ruin them, but
it was bad
it wasn't
time.
an optimal time. Walk on the other side of the street.
She's gonna walk on the other side of the street. Don't do that. Look at it. Ain't that beautiful, Martha? I have noticed there's a lot of ants.
You ever watched that show? I think it was on the History Channel. That was like cities, like what would happen if people weren't around. I don't know what it's called. It was like.
Made me
I
feel
feel
for
like
him.
it was redundant though. I think they could have just like wrapped that up in one episode.
Nature takes over. People will watch anything nowadays, though.
Yeah, we've been watching a lot of YouTube stuff.
Asking people about which zodiac sign is the worst.
We all know what that is.
There's a close tie between two.
Our 2 signs and the 3rd sign, Geminis,
Yeah.
are like usually voted the worst.
Leos are pretentious. Scorpios are fucking liars. Geminis are two-faced.
I think it's just like they have a bad experience person and like whatever sign they are is like the thing that they like.
No one ever says, I fucking hate a Taurus. I never hear that.
Oh, Kelly, look at you.
Aw.
Kelly's going, old people hate me though. So I think there's a lot of like middle like signs, like they don't really get on people's nerves.
Yeah.
So it's like the really like over the top signs, which is part of why we're in that group too. It's like they have like overt tendencies that can't be ignored. It's like once you figure out what they are, you're like, oh. I mean, that's why Geminis are like that too, because it's like they're so fucking ridiculous and insane that it's like once you figure out that, you're like, oh my god.
That's why I don't know a damn thing about you, boy. You're stuck at Scorpio. It's fine, take them off. Oh, I've been recording this whole time. Yeah, looks good.
Just feels like a soup over there.
So we made it home safe. We took showers. We are clean of everything that was outside. And it was, like, just to go back over it, it was so dead outside.
It was hot too.
Sweat through my pants, through my drawers. Came home, took a shower. Did something else. Next time, I show you how to cook breakfast. Sure, why not?